Pets! Yes, our friends, a part of our family, and the stars of videos that appear everywhere on social media. But today, it's time for you to step into this world instead of just watching these videos, because pets are a great niche for making money online. If you're ready, let's dive into this cute world together and learn how you can make money. The pet niche is a popular topic for making money online. Here are some examples. Pet care. Videos providing information on pet care can be prepared. For dogs, cats, birds, bunnies, etc., these films can offer the best feeding techniques, exercise suggestions, and health advice. Videos regarding teaching animals can be created. Topics such as basic training, toilet training, and obedience training for dogs can be addressed in these videos. Pet product reviews. Videos about pet products can be prepared. Reviews of products such as dog toys, cat scratching posts, bird cages, and other pet products can be made. Pet vlogs. Vlogs about the daily life with pets can be created. You can share the activities, games, and daily routines that you do with your pets in these videos. Pet adoption. Videos about pet adoption can be prepared. Topics such as which pets are more suitable for which living spaces and what to pay attention to before adoption can be addressed. Pet fashion. Videos about fashion trends for pets can be prepared. Topics such as dog clothes, cat accessories, and other pet fashion products can be addressed. Pet competitions. Videos about pet competitions can be prepared. Topics such as dog and cat competitions can be addressed. Funny pet moments. Videos about funny moments with pets can be prepared. Topics such as interesting things dogs do, funny movements of cats can be addressed. In addition to these examples, videos can be made on many other different pet-related topics. However, it is important that the selected topics are of interest to the audience and are prepared with quality content. Yes, we've come to the end of the video. We learned a lot about making money with our pets, didn't we? If you're also a pet owner like us, you've learned that we should be aware of the monetary value of the cute things our pets do. Now, are you ready to put these ideas into practice? Take your toy, take a photo, record them in a cute way, and share them on social media. Who knows, maybe you'll become an internet celebrity with your cute friend. Remember, never forget how special our pets are and that it's possible to turn them into money. Now, do yourself a favor and love, hug, and kiss your pet.